Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you in online class of Bal Sadhana Group of Institution. Myself, Parveen Chaudhary, PGT Social Science in Bal Sadhana Public School. Today we discussed about Sur Empire. In previous video, we discussed about the Mughal rule. Mughal rule. In Mughal rule, we studied about two important ruler Babur and his son about Humayun. Babur and Humayun. Babur rule 1526 to 1530 AD. After Humayun rule, after Babur, Humayun rule 530 to 1540 AD and 1555 to 1556. In mid-term from 1540 to 1550, a new dynasty rule on Delhi, and this dynasty was Sur dynasty. In Humayun, we see Humayun fought a battle with Sher Khan. Sher Khan, he fought two battles with Sher Khan. First battle, battle of Chausa. Battle of Chausa. And second battle, battle of Kannauj or Bilgram. Sher Khan defeated Humayun in both of battle, and after the battle of Kannauj or Bilgram, Humayun goes unknown place on exile, and after that he attack on Kabul, Kandahar and Punjab. He attack on Punjab. When Humayun attack on Punjab, then at that time ruler of Punjab was Sikandar Shah Suri. Sikandar Shah Suri become the ruler of Punjab. Humayun defeated Sikandar Shah Suri in 1555 and established again Mughal rule on Delhi. So in this video we studied about Sur Empire. Sur Empire was established by Sher Khan. Established by Sur Empire, established by Sher Khan, and this Sher Khan was known by Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri. Sher Khan Sur Empire was established by Sher Shah Suri by defeating Humayun after the battle of Kannauj or Bilgram. Sher Khan, his pen name was Farid Khan. Farid Khan. Farid Khan, he got the title of Sher Khan after the winning over a tiger without any arms. And this title, Sher Khan title, was given by the ruler of Bihar, Bahar Khan. Bahar Khan. Bahar Khan was the ruler of Bihar, and Bahar Khan give the title to Farid Khan as a Sher Khan because Farid Khan killed lion without any arms. So he got the title of Sher Khan by Bahar Khan. Bahar Khan, the ruler of Bihar, and the he expanded his empire from Kannauj, Kannauj to Assam in the east and Himalaya to Bay of Bengal. Himalaya to Bay of Bengal. Sher Khan expanded his empire from Kannauj to Assam in the east and north to south, from Himalaya to Bay of Bengal. Sher Khan Sher Khan Sher Khan defeated Maldev. Sher Khan defeated Maldev. Maldev was the ruler of Marwad. Sher Khan, Farid Khan defeated Maldev, the ruler of Marwad, in the battle of Sumer Giri. In the battle of Sumer Giri. In 1544 AD. In this battle, from Maldev side, his two commanders named Jenta and Kumpa was fought bravely against Sher Shah Suri. In this battle, Sher Shah Suri got victory over Jeta and Kumpa. Or in other word, in this battle, in battle of Sumergiri, fought between the Sher Khan and Maldev. In this battle, Sher Khan defeated Maldev, and his two soldiers or commander named Jeta and Kumpa was fought bravely with against the Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri said about this battle, I would have lost the Sultanate of Hindustan for a handful of millet. Handful millet means the condition was very critical. If Sher Khan cannot adopted the policy of treachery. In this battle, Farid Khan compulsory defeated by Jetta and Kumpa, and he told that I would have lost the Sultanate of Hindustan for a handful of millet. As per, we can say, the destiny of Farid Khan, he gone victory over Maldev. Otherwise, Farid Khan got defeated by Maldev, and he died. Sher Shah Suri died due to explosion in gunpowder during the Battle of Kalinjar in 1544. After Sher Shah Suri, his son Islam Shah Suri become the ruler of Delhi, and after Islam Shah, Firoz Shah Suri, Muhammad Adil Shah, Ibrahim Shah, and Sikandar Shah. When Humayun invaded India again in 1555, when at the time of Humayun, when he invaded India in 1555, Sikandar Shah was the ruler of Punjab, and he defeated by Humayun, and Humayun re-established the Mughal Empire in India. After Sikandar Shah, last Sur ruler was Adil Shah Suri. Adil Shah Suri was the last ruler of Sur Empire. All these rule after the Sher Khan, or Sher Shah Suri, all these ruler were incapable successor of this kingdom. So Sur Empire was declined. In the time period of Sher Khan or Sher Shah Suri, some reformation have done. First, with he construction a great road named GT Road. GT Road was built by Sher Shah Suri. GT Grand Trunk Road, and this road constructed, which running from Bengal in village Sonar Gaon in Bengal to Peshawar. And he organized the measurement of land and taxes. To measurement of land, he started the system of Galla Bakshi. गल्ला बक्सी. Second, गल्ला बक्सी means बटाई. नक्श, नक्श, सॉरी, NA, नक्श. मुक्ताई, मुक्ताई मीन्स कनकूत. और जप्ती, जप्ती, जप्ती मीन्स हार्ड कैश. And he constructed 4 major roads and inns. Inns means constructed road, and inns, inns means hotel or restaurant or night shelters, sarai, etc. We can all this. He constructed a Grand Trunk Road which running from Sonargaon in Bengal to Peshawar. One more thing, he issue 2 type of coins. First, he issue copper rupees, copper rupee. Copper rupee means his currency was rupee, and he started first copper rupees, and his of is 38 grain. It is the weight of copper rupees. Second, he started silver rupee of 178 grain. He constructed his magnificent tomb at Sasaram, means tomb of Shershah Suri. Shershah Suri is at Sasaram. Sasaram in Bihar. So I hope you understand about the Sur dynasty. And after the Humayun, a new dynasty established in India, and this was named Shershah or Sur Empire. Sur Empire was established by Shershah Suri by defeating Humayun. Farid Khan is the pen name of Sher Khan or Shershah Suri. He took the title of Shershah after the battle of Chausa, when he defeated Humayun in the battle of Chausa. Then he adopted the title of Sher Shah, and when Sher Khan, the title given by Bahar Khan, and Bahar Khan was the ruler of Bihar. When Farid Khan killed lion without arms, he got the title of Sher Khan by Bahar Khan. Bahar Khan was the ruler of Bihar. He expanded his empire from Kannauj to Assam and Himalaya to Bay of Bengal. Sher Khan defeated Maldev. Maldev was the ruler of Mewar in the battle of Sumergiri. In the battle of Sumergiri in 1544. In this battle, from Maldev side, Jeta and Kumpa, his 2 commanders, fought bravely against Sher Shah. In this battle, Shershah Suri said, I would have lost the Sultanate of Hindustan for a handful of millet. Millet is a kharif crops and mostly grown in Rajasthan. He died due to the explosion in gunpowder during the Battle of Kalinjar. After the Sumergiri, after the Battle of Sumergiri, he fought the Battle of Kalinjar in 1544. After Sher Shah Suri, some important ruler, or these are very weak, so Sur Empire become decline. After Sher Shah Suri, Islam Shah Suri 1545 to 1554, Firoz Shah Suri 1554, Muhammad Adil Shah 1554 to 1555 AD. After Muhammad Adil Shah, Ibrahim Shah Suri 1555, Sikandar Shah Suri 1555, and after last ruler of Sur Empire dynasty was Adil Shah Suri, and he ruled from 22 June 1555 to 1556. All these rulers were incapable successor of this kingdom, so Sur Empire was declined. Reformation and constructions of Sher Shah Suri are very famous. With the organizing, measurement of land and taxes, he started the system of Galla Bakshi. Galla Bakshi means batai, naqs, muktai, muktai means kankut, japti or hard cash. He constructed 4 major road and inns. Inns means hotel or sarai. He constructed a important road which name is Grand Trunk Road, which running from Sonar Gaon in Bengal to Peshawar. In present is running from Amritsar to Delhi, and this is national highway first and survived this day. He issued copper rupees of 38 grain and silver rupee of 178 grain. He constructed his magnificent tomb. Tomb means after the death of Sher Shah Suri, he terminated in the tomb of Sasaram, and this tomb he made before his death. So I hope you understand about the Sur Empire. Thank you. Have a nice day.